Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is a weekly fire weather briefing created on Monday, July 21st, 2014. The main concern for today is for gusty winds and low relative humidity across portions of western and central Utah. Winds will generally remain below critical levels, but isolated critical conditions are possible across the wind-prone areas of western Utah. Tomorrow will be quite similar to today, though winds will be a bit lighter across eastern Utah. Again, there is a potential for winds to reach critical levels across western Utah tomorrow afternoon. However, there is some uncertainty as to whether critical winds will be widespread. Moisture will increase across south and eastern Utah on Wednesday. As a result, isolated thunderstorms are expected to develop Wednesday afternoon, especially across the higher terrain. The moisture moving into Utah isn't especially deep, and so not all thunderstorms will be accompanied by wetting rain. As far as forecast confidence, there is high confidence that relative humidity will trend downward through Tuesday. I have medium confidence that winds will be strong enough to reach critical levels across western Utah on Tuesday afternoon. As far as convection on Wednesday, I'd say that there's a medium confidence that convection will develop over the higher terrain of south and southeastern Utah on Wednesday, and low confidence as to how far north this convection will spread. Right now, the thought is that it'll mainly stay over south and southeastern Utah. So I'll just give you a quick weather outlook through the end of the week. For today and tomorrow, Utah will be under the influence of dry southwesterly flow. The red color on the image denotes dry air, and you can see that pretty much all but northwestern Utah is rather dry. On Wednesday, moisture will increase across south and southeastern Utah, and you can see that on the screen this moisture is represented by the bluest colors in the image. High pressure will then build Friday into the weekend, bringing a warming, drying trend and generally terrain-driven winds. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send an email to the address on the screen. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.